imagine this. You need a loan to buy a car. You might think your only option is to go to a bank or a credit union. You could go to a traditional bank, fill out forms, and wait for approval. Or you could borrow money from yourself using your own resources. This is the power of infinite banking, a strategy that leverages whole life insurance policies. With infinite banking, your life insurance policy becomes more than just a safety net for your loved ones. It becomes a source of funds you can access whenever you need them for any purpose. This strategy might sound unusual at first, but it's been used successfully for generations by savvy individuals. Let's break it down and see how it works in detail so you can understand the benefits and start using it yourself. Unlike term life insurance, which only provides coverage for a set period, typically ranging from 10 to 30 years, whole life insurance lasts your entire life, as long as you continue to pay the premiums. This is important because it allows for a cash value component to build up within the policy, which can be a significant financial asset over time. Here's how it works. You pay a premium for your policy, and a portion of that premium goes towards the cash value, which grows at a guaranteed rate. This cash value grows over time, tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw it. As your cash value grows, you can borrow against it, using it as collateral for loans. The best part, you're borrowing from yourself, not a bank, which can be a more flexible and convenient option. This means no credit checks and flexible repayment terms, making it easier to manage your finances. There are many benefits to using whole life insurance as your own bank. One major advantage is the tax benefits. The cash value grows, tax deferred, and you can typically access it tax-free through loans. This can save you a significant amount of money in taxes over time. Another benefit is the guaranteed growth. Unlike the stock market, which can be volatile, the cash value in your policy grows at a guaranteed rate. This provides peace of mind, knowing your money is safe and growing steadily. Getting started with infinite banking. Ready to become your own banker. It's an exciting journey that puts you in control of your financial future. It starts with choosing the right whole life insurance policy, which is the foundation of infinite banking. You'll want to look for a policy with high cash value growth. This is crucial because it determines how quickly your savings can accumulate. This will allow you to build up your savings quickly, giving you a solid financial base to work from. Also, look for low borrowing rates, which will minimize the cost of borrowing from yourself. This means you can access your money without hefty interest rates. And don't forget flexible repayment terms, giving you greater control over your finances. Flexibility is key to managing your money effectively. Once you have a policy in place, you can start using it for all your financial needs, from buying a car to funding your retirement. This strategy can help you achieve financial independence and security. Take control of your financial future. Infinite banking is a powerful strategy that can help you achieve financial independence. By becoming your own banker, you take control of your money and your future. Remember, knowledge is power. If you liked what you learned from me today on infinite banking and how it can benefit you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more information like this. Start building your financial fortress today.